So after learning about lists and tuples, let's talk about sets, the last species of this family. After that, I mean, the list, tuple, and sets are kind of similar. So last species, and then we'll talk about the dictionaries. So sets, let's say, first thing first, its symbol is this flower bracket. Okay. So again, repeating, list is represented by square bracket, tuple is represented by what is this, round bracket, and then this curly bracket is representing the sets. Again, story is more or less similar. The only difference is for the sets, it only stores unique values. Okay, even if you can see I'm repeating 4, so 4 here and here. I'm also repeating 2 here and here. But when I'll show the set, it will only show the values once. 2 is not repeated, 4 is not repeated. So if we want to store only unique values, then set is used, right? Second thing, let's say if I say for value in S is a set, right? And then if I say print value, so you see it is showing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whereas here, if you see, the values are stored in completely different order. So the thing is, set also does not care about ordering the values. That is why if I say S of 0, it will give me an error. Why? Because the value that was stored at 0's index while creating a set, it is not necessary that the same value will be there at that time as well, right? So indexing is not operatable on sets. I repeat, sets are used to store the unique numbers, the unique values, not only numbers, but overall the unique values, right? Now, on the sets, that is also mathematical definition of a set. A set is a combination of values or collection of values that are unique, that are not repeated. Now, we can use multiple different kind of operations on the set as well. For example, we can add two sets. Let's say this is S1. Let's create S2 over here, and like this. So 3, 4, 5, 2, and triple line. And then here, if I say S1 plus S2, let's see what happens, right? Here we go. It gives us an error. It says plus operator is not supported for the sets. Why? Because again, they are unordered collection of values. That is why plus operator cannot be used for these sets. However, we can, if we want to add two sets, we can take union of these two sets. And in order to take union, we have to make use of built-in functions of the sets. How to make use of built-in functions? And by the way, what are the built-in functions? We have not talked about the built-in functions of lists, tuples, or anything. Why? Because this is something that is coming in upcoming module, where we are merely going to talk about what are the functions and what are the different types of functions. Now, interesting thing. For example, here if I have a list, LST, right? This list contains all the unique values. Okay, let me create a new list over here. Okay, let's say 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, sorry, 12, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and if I show this list again, so I have a lot of repeating values over here, right? We know that we can typecast each variable type or each data type to another type. Okay, now if I typecast this list, to a set, what will happen? We know that the property of a set is, by the way, this is the symbol of set, S-E-T. Okay, this is the keyword of set. So we know that the property of set is it removes all the repeating values from any data structure. So let's see what is the output. So here we go. If this list will become a set, it will not have any repeating number anymore, right? So the values that were repeating are still there in LST. If I print LST, they're still there. Okay, because we did not update this variable. We just transformed it to another value, and even we did not store this whole thing in another variable as well, right? So this is just to show the output. So by using these kind of tactics, we can also typecast each kind of data structure to another kind of data structure as well.